And check 103, check 103. What do we like in gold, guys? I know you had something higher that would not have worked. Do we like 84 in gold, down 6 points from here? What do you guys think? I think we kind of like that. You guys tell me. 84, you got 87. 87.50. All right. 84 is the previous day low. I think 84 is conservative. Good morning, YouTubers. We're spiking down here a little bit. 49.84. Let's take a chill pill. I think we like 84, guys, if we do it now. 49.84. Let's do it small. What we get to? 89 was the 30-minute. We got to 87. Vish was perfect. 87.50. Scalar. Come on, guys. You got to believe in scale. Nice job, scale. And 89 you got in. Take your profits. All right. I was being conservative. I'm rusty. I'm rusty, guys and girls. But let's put out 84 now. I know 87.50 was perfect. Nice job. I said I'm rusty. 49.84. MGC, David. MGC. Now, why isn't this taking this? Oh, because it's 45.84, you idiot. All right, let's see if we get 84 on this pop down. Keep it small. Ah, come on. Got to 86. All right, we'll leave 84 for a couple minutes. Take a chill. All the actions in gold. Keep it small. At the moment, what a week we had. Yeah, guys and girls, YouTube, everyone was joining us everywhere. Trading room. We had a spectacular week of trading this week without me. Everyone did an unbelievable job. So it is Take It Easy Friday. Okay, we already have a 5 ATR in gold. Friday, after having a good week, we want to protect our gains. Okay, a lot of people aren't even trading today. They took this day off because it's been such a good week. And there is no reason to be running into anything this morning, especially gold with this kind of volatility. So let's just take it easy. Silver. Silver is getting a big smack-a-dacka, whack-a-dacka. Can anyone tell me what silver they're trading on Apex or any of these things that you're doing? We're coming to a little level that I want to try. Our pivot point, which is, I can't even see. 87.69. How low did we get? We got to 87.88. I traded the big one this morning by mistake in Apex, but I don't know if there's a small one that we should be trading. But let me put out this SIL and Interactive Brokers. Let's see. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to put a little order out. SIL. SIL is the minis. See, I don't even know if I can trade it on the Interactive Brokers. I don't think I can. I don't think I have permissions. All right, whatever. Yeah, I don't think I can. I don't think I can. All right, SLV. Okay, yeah, that we can definitely trade. Yeah. It's $80 now. It was 83. Maybe we look for a far moving average trade or something. I have no idea how this trades or how much it costs or anything else. All right, gold had a big bounce up. Great call on that 87 level. No, we'll leave our 84 out. It's down 10 points from here. What do we got below 84, though, is the question. Let's see. In case we get rambunctious. So again, everybody who's here, take it easy Friday. For my YouTubers, we have our boot camp coming up in 2 weeks, but next week I'm inviting a bunch of people to visit our trading room. So take advantage. I'll give it to you later on. I'll let you know. I'll give you the link later on. What do we like short and gold, guys? The trend is 4601, 4604, 4607 is the 30 EMA. We're coming up from 86. I kind of like the trend, guys. 04. You up 18 points, 8 points from here. What do you guys think? Definitely like the 200 EMA all the way up. All right, let's be conservative. We got a bunch of stiff around 07, right? Let's do that. 4607. We likey. We'll leave our 84. We like 07. MES is a dead. Do we still like 83? Let's take a look. I think I still do. The ATR is only 3. That's down 5 points from here. So I like the 83.50 if we go in that direction. What do you mean you can't believe I'm back home? That was a speedy boat. Yeah, well, we only went to the Bahamas. It's about 10 minutes from here. The furthest we went was Nassau. Literally, if we wanted to, if they wanted to, it could take about 15 minutes to get from here to there. So we just kind of cruised around Miami Beach and USC. What do we like short in the ESs, guys? Do we like the 97? What do we just chill out, man? I'll chill where we are for now. Like I said, it's Friday. Relax. Yeah, I'm in Boca. So it's about an hour. We had to drive to Miami. You get on a boat in like 5 minutes and you're on vacation. Quick 4 days. It was very nice. Very nice. Anyone has any bright ideas? Pop them up there. Previous week, something in ESs. What do you like? Previous week close. Am I missing that? Oh, all the way down there. What, 45.18? What you looking at, Myra? We like the previous day low at 84. 7004. Oh, I'm in gold. So maybe I should switch, huh? Duh. Yeah, I definitely like that. I think we'll get a little pullback from 97 if we get there fast. But all right, let's go 7004. Pop it out there. Gold, we got another $10 up and we like it. Again, take it easy Friday. Yeah, I think you'll get a pullback from the 97, Ed. We'll be conservative for now. Can you go over the orb strategy? It wasn't in the futures course. It is somewhere. Scotty, where's our orb strategy? It's not in the actual course. We got to put it in the course. Are you kidding me?
No, what I'd like to do, David, if you're keen with it, is I'd like to put some of the mentorship recordings in the resource center. The orb should be in the boot camp course, but the risk management and stuff should be in resource center because people are not finding it in the archives.
All right, let's have a call with Roman or just email Roman and tell him where you want to put stuff in and he'll do it in 2 seconds. That work for you? We got to make it easier for people to find stuff. So, and you know better than I do.
No, all right, 100%. I'll take care of it.
Yeah, we'll go over the orb strategy this morning, Dizzle, when we get it at 9:30. But it'll be in the resource center. It'll be somewhere by the end of this weekend. We'll get it straightened out. All right. There's a bunch of stuff I want to do to the course to make it easier to navigate. I want to have a glossary. I want to have something where you can, if there's something you want to look for, you can type it in and then just go to that lesson with one click. But if you're in the futures course, you should be every Tuesday and Thursday night in slow markets. We go over it almost every single time we're in slow markets. So again, even with just the futures course, guys and girls, you have Tuesday nights and Thursday nights with Scotty. So get your butts into those classes on Tuesday and Thursday night. If you have any questions about anything. All right, gold's coming in. Yes, I'm looking. All right, let's see if we can get to our 84. I mean, that'll be straight down 12 points now. We can get down in gold. Let's see if we can do it right now. Get there fast and then we'll take it slow. Again, guys, we are on the micros this morning. Take it nice and easy. Way down in Kokomo. Way down in Kokomo. Aruba, Bahama, come on, pretty mamba. Let's give it this pop down. Okay, guys, below 84 in gold, what do we have? Because we have absolutely nothing on our 5-minute chart down to 60. So let's look. 15-minute, we got nothing. 30-minute, we got nothing. Now, let's take a look. 1 hour. We got nothing down to 56. 4 hour. Ooh, 4 hour. Now, that was that 87.50, which we already hit. And then we're down to the daily. Yeah, it's 60. 76.40 is a double bottom. From what, Scotty? Ooh, here. No. Okay. No, I like it. So we'll give 84 another minute or two, but if we break that, the next thing we got is 76, which I like. And we like the short if we go back in that direction. Yes. Frequently asked questions. All right, I'm going to make a note of that. Page. Yes. Yes, Gadizzle. Anytime we're looking, if you're looking overnight, if you're trading slow markets, it depends on the ATR. All right. If the ATR is 2 in the ESs, if we get a 5-point move, I'll make a trade, but you got to lower your expectations for profits, you know, depending on what the ATR is. Gabishi. But we want to move at least, you know, double the ATR. So if the ATR is 3, look for a 6-point move, try to make 1 or 2 points. If the ATR is 2, you look for a 4-point move and try to make 1 point. Generally speaking, we want that 10-point move, yes. What time is it? Oh, it's only 8:30 now? Jeez Louise. Well, we started early. But if you have the course, guys, you're doing yourselves a great disservice by not getting here on Tuesdays and Thursday nights. Because it's more about, I mean, last night was spectacular. Scotty had some unbelievable trades. Some people made 5 figures last night. Yeah. We had some people make, thousands of dollars last night. And again, they were a little more experienced, but it was all orbs. It was just crazy good. So if you have the course, I mean, for $300, Tuesdays and Thursday nights are worth $3,000 a month, and it's included. I was up 37 ES points this week and took 2 non-A plus set and hit my daily loss list, and now only up 28 points for the week. All right, well, there you go, Rash. You answered your own question there. All right, 28 points is still good. Nothing wrong with that, right? One contract is what, $1,400? 28 points? Is that my math correct? But you answered your own question when you said you took a non-A plus setup. All right. Don't take any non-A plus setups. Only AA plus setups. Boom, chakalaka laka. All right, gold is rallying now. Aruba, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. All right, we like the where are we in gold? 4607? Yeah, we like that. $46.07 is the 30 EMA. If you want to be really aggressive, 46.0150 is a level. I don't know, anyone like that? I'll be up 11 points. You guys tell me. I want to get into gold, but I'm not sure I can handle the volatile. Well, you can trade the micros. You can trade the micros in gold. Well, I definitely like 46.07 if we go in that direction. So let's just be patient. And we definitely like the 84 now. And we definitely like our 2 orders in the ESs. If anyone likes gold any sooner, let me know. In the groove, wah, in the groove, wah, in the groove, wah. All righty. Study the risk management. That's exactly right. Boom. Know when to trade the minis, know when to trade the micros. Yes, we're off on Monday. So no YouTube on Monday. Maybe we'll do it Tuesday. You guys want to do it on Tuesday? I don't mind doing it on Tuesday. 4604, the bottom of what orb, Leighton? Which orb you talking about? We're being ultra conservative here, guys. Oh, I don't know. I don't trade that one, Scotty. Does that make sense to trade 15-minute orb from 4 o'clock to 9:30? I guess you can put orbs whenever you want
I mean, you can. I mean, arguably,
right?
there's guys that do 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15. So is it valid? Yes. But think of this, ladies and gentlemen. If you have a 2-hour session, you're not going to get an 80-point market range. And so you're just going to have less trade opportunities, but it's not necessarily incorrect.
Yeah. What's silver doing? Hanging. I love silver at 86.20 we can spike down $1.20 from here, but I don't even know how to trade that. Bum, 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 bum. I think silver just got a little ahead of itself up to $93. Bump, bump, bump. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. Okay, we like our gold. Let's just make sure we like where we're at here. Let's go to 46.09 in gold now. Even more conservative, up 10 points. Too bad we couldn't get that buy side this morning. Although Scala got it. Scotty, who went live this week? Just so I know.
Run that by me one more time. Who went live this week?
Who of our traders went live this week?
I don't know who went live. I know that we had 18 accounts that were qualified this week, and that's only the ones I know about.
No. I don't mean. I mean, who took over the room for a few minutes or whatever.
Oh,
that's what I
mean. Spencer did some great narration. Damien did the morning session, and G. Scallion.
Damien and Scale. All right, guys. Yeah, you guys send me an email. Okay, I'm going to send you guys each a couple of Apex accounts. All right. Some freebies.
Big shout out. They did a good job, DG.
Yeah. So send me an email, Damien, Spence, and Scale, and I'll give you guys two Apex accounts. Okay. 2 free Apex accounts each. You know my email. So if we look, guys and girls, at gold, we were talking about the aggressive short on the trend at 46.01. Just paid 7 points. Boom, chaka-laka laka. And that was your trend trade. Boom. Definitely still like the 84 now and the 46.09. MESs are dead, not doing anything. But just so everybody sees the technicals, I mean, it really fit. We went from 89, we went up 12 points, double the ATR, hit our 15 EMA at 46.01. It went a 1.5 above it and gave a nice 5-point profit without blinking the eye. So we're good where we are now. David, when do you like taking market order buys? When we get orb trade setups, trader. When we get orb trade setups, we're going to do buy stops and sell stops. I have 5 Top Step Combine accounts I bought on Monday. All right, cool beans, baby. Dazzle. Do it. Yeah. 2 times we use market orders for the far from moving average trades and breakout of the orbs. Gold 44.06. Yeah, I mean, that's the 30 EMA. Yes. And that's up 10 points. Again, we're being ultra conservative right now up at the 09. Why do we trade micros on Fridays? Yes, both. No, it's not so much because of the volatility, but this has been a special week of trading. Listen, we don't talk about money ever, okay? But it has been very good in the private trading room for a while now. So on Fridays, the main reason is either you don't trade at all, okay, because you had a good week, which is what I recommend to people. Go do something else. What do you got to sit here all day? Yeah, keep the profits for the week. Go start your weekend early. Or if just don't risk anything that we did for the week. You know, I'm going to have a maximum loss today of like, well, I wasn't here all week, but I'll have a max loss of $100 or $200. Yeah, there's just no reason to be here. None whatsoever. after a good week. Plus, if you were here at slow markets last night, you already made your day. So you certainly shouldn't be here. Exactly. That's Scotty just said, even if we have losses, it ain't going to hurt. So on micros, think about this. If I'm trading the micros, the MESs, right? It's $5 a point. $5 a point. I can do a bunch of trades and have a maximum loss of $200, and I could risk 8 points on every trade that I did, which we're not going to do. Anyway, so what else do we want to even watch? I don't know. SLV. I'm liking the reversal trades more than the breaks. Mo, just make sure with the reversal trades that we have enough movement to our levels, 10 points, depending on the ATR. Follow the rules for each trade. That's the bottom line. All right, SLV. I'm leaving an order out. I don't know how this trades or what it trades or whatever the hell it is, but I can trade it. So I'm just going to leave an order out down at 77. Well, let's look. Let's see where we are. See if we have anything else. 15-minute, 30-minute, 200 we just passed. 1 hour, 200 is 77. 4 hour, 30 EMA is 79.30. That's down 60 cents from here. Is that a big move? What's the ATR? 45 cents. Yeah, let's put a little something here at 79.30. I don't know how it trades. I'm going to put out, I don't know, put out 20 shares just to see how this trades. And I'll put out 50 shares. 79.30. 50-cent risk is $25. This thing trades really well, and it's very volatile. So I'm going to start trading a little SIL. If it sets up. All right, here comes gold, guys. Now, do we still like the 09? Yeah, I like the 09 if we do it on this pop-up. I'm game. This pop. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So gold will still have to spike up 6 more points to get here. 09. And then above that, guys, we got 13. So let's see what we get in the next couple of minutes and go. We got 09 and we got 13. Let's see what happens in the next couple of minutes. Nice bounce off the lows. ESs are just floundering. Nothing to do. What is the green line on 45.90.60 in gold? That is our pivot point, trader. That is a pivot point. On the way down, pivot points show us support. On the way up, pivot points show us resistance. Possible areas to make trades if we have moved far enough to get there. The bottom line is if you did the pivot point here at 90 and you were on the micros, you certainly didn't even come close to getting stopped out. Only went 4 points below. So that was a good trade. Silver bouncing a little bit. So I had a new PA account this morning. and I traded this SIL. I didn't know what it was or what the values were, but I did okay. I thought these were the micros, but I made $3,300 trading silver this morning. Really, it was a nice far from moving average trade. Right here. Absolutely not, because I didn't know what I was trading. I don't know the micro symbol. I mean, yeah, it has micro, but it's still like way expensive. This one, the SILG6. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But it was a far from moving average trade and hit the pivot point at 6:05, whatever time this was. Boom. All right, what are we doing in gold? We're backing off a little bit. On gold, I think we're going to go up to 13 if we kind of just sit here, right? For the opening anyway. That'll be up 10 points from here. Give 09 a couple more minutes. Otherwise, we'll go up to 13 for the opening. 84 and 13. Is gold easier to trade than NQ? I don't think one. What happens if you blow the PA account with Apex? You got to get another one. Well, you start from scratch. Just like if you blow it on Top Step or anywhere else. Yeah, that's it, good living. A chart is a chart. That's the bottom line. Is gold easier to trade than NQ? No, it's the same thing. One is not harder or easier than the other. I still like 09, guys, if we do it right now. So let's keep our eyes on gold. See if we can get to the 09 on this Nick Papadopoulos. But we want it on this pop. '09 now. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Then we'll go up to 1350 if we don't get '09 on this pop. And we're getting a little red bar, which is not what we wanted to see. Gold is difficult to trade. And look at it, guys. You got an ATR of almost 7 points. So, yeah, I mean, I like the '09 if we would have just done it. You can give it another minute or two. Like 13 for the opening if we're not going to get this '09 anytime soon. What time is it? It's 8:50. All right. We're moving along. So let's say '09 on this pop now. And Vish has 1240. Okay. 6, 12, 40. We'll literally give '09 this pop up. Then we'll go to Vish's. We got 1240 and 1350. See how we wanted it there, guys and girls? Now it's not even a 5-point move to get there. So let's go to Vish's fib at 1240. That's where we wanted it. Wah, wah, wah. Good morning, McScroogey McDucky. Scroogey is the closest you can be to a room member without being a room member. I don't like the 200 anymore living. I liked it. If we could have just spiked up there, it would have been a great trade. And we didn't even get, I think we might have tickled the 30 EMA there at 07. That was a good trade too. But whatever, we got to chill. Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the morning last. How about our ESs? We definitely like the 004. We like the 83. That's good for the opening. Silver bouncing. Yeah, silver's bouncing a little bit. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Yeah, ES is dead. Gold just took the hammer down. The hammer. Wow, silver went up $1. Very nice. Good morning, Santiago. Yeah, I'm surprised Apex doesn't have a sale. Well, there's no holidays or anything. That's why. There's no news. There's no nothing. It's peanut butter coffee time, guys and gals. Orders are good, wherever they are. 84.12 hike. 83.04 hike. Silver's good. Let's grab a cup of coffee. Back in fiber. Catch you, Santiago. All right, back in 2x2. By the way, guys and girls, it's 44 degrees down here. You kidding me? And gold could actually be a better buy than sell up to our 1240. If I'm doing the micros in gold, I'm doing 1240 and 1380 if we spike up there. But could be setting up for a little breakout up here. ES is doing squadouche. Silver's doing squadouche. Anyone want to look at any stocks? Got any stocks you guys want to look at? Next week when we have visitors, I'm going to start trading more stocks also. Keep our eyes open for that. Morning, Digger. So, if we look at a 1 minute chart now, gold, look at all this. We pushed against this 46.0650 5 times. Could not get above it. Maybe something to watch on the opening. 27 degrees in Chicago. New York feels like 9 degrees. Yeah, it was below freezing in some parts of Florida this morning. Crazy, man. The iguana's falling out of the trees soon. Bitcoin, nothing. Silver skies up mountain. It's going to be 65 this afternoon, Mike. Nice. There you go. There you go. That's more like it. Nvidia's up a little. Oracle's up a little. ABGO's up a little. I got nothing on my movers and shakers I care about. Yeah. 77 tomorrow. There you go. Uncle David. I am waiting for the opening of the U.S. market. I already made about $1,000 in the London market. Well, let me ask you this, Santiago. Is $1,000 a good day? Because if I already made $1,000, I wouldn't be trading anymore today. I'd be done. I'd be see you later, alligator. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Come on, Jazz. Damien and Gavin, your accounts will be on the way a little bit later today. I sent an email to Roman. Yeah, get out of here. For those of you joining us on YouTube, this week we had, and we're going to do it every week, quite frankly, some of our more experienced traders actually running the room, sharing their charts, posting their trades, and they did great. And what a great experience. I mean, that just makes you so much better trader, gives you more confidence. So anyone who ever wants to volunteer in the room, okay, just let us know. I'll give you a couple of Apex accounts for doing it. Great experience for the people who are actually doing it. What is the problem with simply making your daily target in each market? Is it overtrading if you're doing it in different markets? Listen, you should have a daily target no matter what you're trading, period. And if you hit it, you should be done trading. I have a daily target. Everybody should have a daily target. I don't care what accounts I'm trading. If I hit that daily target, you should be done trading, period. End of story. No matter what account it is, doesn't matter. If you have a couple of eval accounts laying around, okay, this is what a lot of people do. When they have these big sales in Apex, you get a few of the eval accounts. And when you hit your profit target in your PA account, good. Now go to your eval accounts and try to make them PA accounts. You're not risking any of the money you actually made. That is a good way to go about it. Gold spiking up again a little bit. All right, we have 1240 and 1350 if we go in that direction. in the groove. Voila. Yeah, and Damien, who did it, loved doing it. So it's just a great life experience, period. How about them apples? We got a double top in gold also. If we spike up to 20, doesn't look like it. What do we like on the buy side in gold now, guys? Do we like 90 again? I mean, that'd be down 18 points. We're okay with 90. So we got 1240 and 1350. We start doing that now. Okay, let's see if we get 1240 on this pop up. If not, we'll go up to the 1350 and then we'll see what happens for the opening. If we don't get that, we can go to a double top. Again, I'm doing the micros, guys. Taking it nice and slow. And we are subject to changing this in a couple of minutes if we don't get up there fast. Am I technically over trading if I am now awake during New York trading hours? Again, you're over trading if you hit your goal and make your money and you keep trading. Then you're over trading. Period. You know, we'll take every single trade that sets up for us to do. And if that's 10 trades in one day, you know, and that's what we do. But I don't come in every morning and say, oh, I have to do 5 trades today. There have been some days where we sit here all day and don't do any trades. Happens. All right, 1240 on this pop-up, guys. We got 1240 and then 1380. Doing one each if we do it very quickly. We just got to 11. So I don't even think we like the 1240 anymore. What do you think, Vish? Just go up to the 1380. I know someone had a fib at 1240, but we kind of just missed it. Now what? Womp, womp, womp. Yeah, definitely the pivot point. All right. We'll leave 1380 out. I mean, even 1380 is only a 6-point move, and that's the ATR. So we might just take a chill pill for the opening. But let's put in 91 on the buy side. That's down 17 points now. Okay with that. That is our pivot point. We can use it again down 17 points. 45.91. Boom.
Well, that's because you just said
ESs. We still like our ESs, guys and girls? I think so. Down 8 points. Got a fib in gold at 95. It's down 13 points. All right. We'll try it small for the opening. Boom. 1660 above, okay. Down with that. So for now, for the next couple of minutes, we'll leave the 13 out. Literally. If we don't get that, we go up to 1660. So again, a couple of minutes, we'll leave the 13 out. It's still a 7-point move, 1350. It's almost an 8-point move now. And again, the ES is a dead. We sit in here, we're going to vicious fib for the opening, 16 and change. And I like the 95 fib on the way down. That's still down $10 from here. That works. Silver. Bouncing. Spiders. Let's look at some stocks. Tesla. Just take a look. Nvidia. And that's a good question, Scotty. If we're trading, well, we're going to be trading a micro, so you got to give it a full stop. If we're doing an orb breakout, Scotty, do we give full stops?
If I'm doing an orb breakout, you're either going to give me my money or I'm going to cut the trade and I'm going to look for an entry a little lower. I don't take full stops on Momo trades.
There you go. So what, half ATR maybe? If the ATR in gold is 6 points and we're looking for a breakout, cut it at 3.
So target 2 for me is 1 ATR. So I use a half ATR for the trim. So for a Momo trade, I personally do a half ATR risk. And then on an RMA trade, I do a 1 ATR risk.
There we go. So on orb breakouts, half ATR. So if we're trading gold with a 6-point ATR and we're looking for an orb breakout, give it 3-point stop.
Yeah, I guess my thought here, DG, is that I just don't need it to go a full ATR against me for me to know the Momo didn't work.
Correct. I'm with you. All right, guys, 1380 on this pop for a quick trade. Otherwise, we go up to 16. What did Vish have after this? 1660? Something like that. Give it one more minute for the 1380. Love it.
Do you want me to plug your phone in? David?
What?
Do you want me to plug your phone in?
Yeah.
Where is it?
All right. What do you think, guys? Up to the 1660? Next fib. Yeah, we came close. All right, the next fib is 1660-ish. 1660. And then we got a double top on the previous day. Gold, we certainly like the buy side now. I still think 1380 probably works for a quick point, but whatever. Chill it out. Taking too long to get there. Previous day closed, the double top.
Black news, Dave.
What news? Yeah, Marie, we'll go up to the previous day close for the opening if we don't get to the 1660 in short order.
Industrial production.
All righty then.
Take that, eh?
Yeah. Again, 1380 would have been great, guys. We got the 1260. Chill. We'll leave the fib for a couple of minutes. Otherwise, we'll go up to the previous day high for the opening. Take it slow. If there's a rule for taking losses, I keep losing my full stop every time I lose. Yeah, it's definitely a rule. Most of our trades, we're taking our first profit quickly, and it works, Santiago. most of our trades, okay? Once we take that first profit, we're not going to let it turn into a losing trade. So make sure you're doing that. Get to the risk management lessons in the course. So once we get our first profit, we don't let that turn into a losing trade. So very rarely are we taking full stops on anything. If you don't get the first profit, then you got to let the trade play out. But we're over 70, 75, at least 70% winners to losers. So it shouldn't be happening that often anyway. Again, we're going to have losing trades. I still like the 1660, guys, even for the opening. It'll be up 10 points. Let's see what happens in the next 5 minutes. I think to be real conservative, we go up to the previous day close. We'll see what happens. But now we still like the 1660. I have to automate my first profit. My eyes and fingers are not fast enough. There you go. Then do it. I do the same percent as you, but I'm not making money. Then there's definitely the problem is something else, Santiago. No question about it. Because we are making money. Have you done a private lesson with Scotty yet? I highly suggest you do that if you have not. Because something is not right if that's happening. Thank you, Jazz. There you go. So take it easy until then. You know? Maybe get yourself in the private trading room for a week. Nothing wrong with that. For a month, I mean. And do another boot camp. Because this is not a news event that's going to move anything. Dan, we know which of the news events that are going to move things and which ones aren't going to move things. And this was one that just wasn't going to move things. Look, there's another route we can take also, guys. We can cancel all our orders for the opening and just chill out for 10, 15 minutes. That's the next thing that we can do, right? I don't mind leaving a gold out. I like the buy side, first of all, if we spike back down to 95, no matter what. And I don't mind leaving the previous day close out for the opening at 20. So as we get closer to the opening, maybe we'll just do that. Leave our bid side, go up to 20 on the short side. ESs are good. It's up and down 10 points, so I'm still okay with that. So let's see what happens. We got another 12 minutes. You know, the ATR is 6. You know, we're moving basically from right here 6 points to hit that 1660. So we'll give it a couple more minutes. Otherwise, we go up to 20 for the opening. Making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. Oh,
Baby, my deepest apologies. My dog had a heart attack this morning, so I'm not running around like a fucking lunatic. Excuse my language, everybody. But I'm here.
All right, you got a couple of minutes. Go ahead, Pete.
Okay, you got it, buddy. Okay, everybody. So look, we got a lot going on here. Okay, Davos is coming up. Davos is a big economic conference, right? Where a lot of heavy stuff has happened in the past, right? If you go back to Trump 1.0, it was that first day where Trump mentioned China and tariffs, and the market went down 1,400 points. By the end of the day, it was up 1,400 points. It was one of the biggest reversals in history. Anyway, all that being said, right now the market is up a little bit here. We still are sort of trickling in a lot of economic data that's coming in. We do not know. Earnings out of the gate on the banks was very mixed. And we haven't had that for a while. I would say for the most part, over the last number of quarters, banks coming out of the gate have been super, super solid. Whether that has a lot to do with the interest rate thing that went on in November and December, it's very, very possible. So right now we're hitting up against some resistance here at this 7,000 S&P level and the Dow 50,000 level. What we are seeing this week is a couple down days, couple up days, but what's hitting record highs is the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is small cap and mid cap stocks. So what you're seeing is a lot of rotation. Yesterday market was up 250 points, and the Dow was up 250. S&P was up 15 or 20 handles. Yet the advances versus declines was literally 50-50, and that's what we're seeing. So that kind of signals to me that people are kind of getting out of some of their outperformers, and they're getting into some small cap, mid cap, looking for value. Nobody really knows what's happening here. We do know that the way historically there is an old Wall Street adage that the way January goes, so does the year. So people are pushing for a positive January. Like right now, we are up for the month, right? We are in the middle of the month, right? 15th, 16th right now. But there's still uncertainty, right? There's a lot of global uncertainty. It appears that Mr. Trump may be making some kind of inroad into Iran that we don't know what that's really about yet. We do know that what's happened with Venezuela, we're not sure clearly what that was about. But when you have countries like Iran, Russia, China, Saudi Arabia, and the United States and Venezuela, the largest oil producers in the world, everybody on edge that the president of the United States is making inroads into that country and potentially into others, you've got uncertainty, right? The VIX has been up one day and down one day. A lot of uncertainty in the market, a lot of moving parts. So I'm not clear. I'm not clear which way this market is going to go. We are butting our heads against everything. Everybody would love to see this market blow through S&P 7,000 and Dow 50,000, right? I do have some hats printed up just because these thresholds are big. They're not just numbers. They do represent a big thing. But you know what? At the end of the day, it feels like the market's not letting us get there without having to work for it, right? We are seeing, look, there's a lot of talk going to be happening around AI at the Davos meeting, right? There's a lot of stuff going on with chips and NVIDIA and China and all that kind of stuff. So look, you're going to start to see volatility, right? As we've seen this week, and the price action this week has been a little bit distressing. I don't know about from your point of view, from mine for sure. It's just the directionality just hasn't been clear to me. And so it's been a bit of a struggle. So anyway, look, it's one day at a time. This is a Friday. We welcome back Dave from his vacay. I'm glad he had a couple of days out looking at the clear skies, and let's see what ends up happening today. I'll be back right after the open, and we'll pick it up from there. What do we got? What time is it? Is it almost opening time? We got 9:22. I'm going to head up to the opening bell, guys, and I will see you on the flip flop. Davey, I'll see you after the opening, Chief.
All good. ES coming up. Yeah, all right. It's still a 7-point move, and the ATR is 3. I don't know. We can go to a double top and be really conservative at 07. Let's do that. Again, guys, I'm not in a hurry. It's Friday. Let's just relax. Go up to 07. It's up 10 points from here. Gold, where are we? All right. What do we like on gold now for the opening, guys and girls? Do we like that 16 still? It's up 10 points from here now. What do you guys think? I think I kind of like it. Up 10 points, micros. Let's leave it. Do we like the buy side at 95? We have a fib, right? That's down 12 points from here. That'll be down 18 points, so we still like that. Yep. It's good. It's good. Oh, I like where we are and everything. It's fine. Making love out of nothing at all. No, we'll take it nice and slow for the opening. Let things open up and relax. How to get into the live trading room. That's where we trade live all day long, every day. You got to be a course member first to even think about getting into the live trading room. So you have to buy one of our courses. And then the live trading room is completely separate fee for that. It includes a live boot camp every month, which we have coming up next week, right? Not next week, the week after. Send me an email if you're interested. Also, guys, take my email down. You guys can all come into the trading room next week and hang out for the week. All right, I like where we're at for the opening. Everything's good. Micro man. Micro man. Take it nice and slow. You guys can start sending me emails, and I will send you a link to the live trading room for next week. We'll give away some accounts later. Before we get out of here. Silver doing anything that we care about? No. Yeses, we're good on both sides. Taking it nice and slow. Get there fast, and then we'll take it slow. You got it. Way down. I'm just running to the boys' room, ready to rock and roll. All right, Scale, enjoy. Again, guys and girls, it is Risk Off Friday. We are taking it slow. Taking a chill pill. Relaxalating. We'll be out of here early today. We are off on Monday. Boom, boom, boom. There's no churn and burn. There's no news out anywhere today. Relax, don't do it. Popping up in Bitcoin. Oh, we got our orb set up. Let me make sure. So really, if we don't get any of these orders, we're watching our orb. 9:30, 1600, 5 minute. Yes, 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 yes. Da-da-da-da-da-da. No risk on the opening. Making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. All right, gold, we still like down 8 points from here if we do it fast. No orders for the opening day. All right. I like where we are for the opening. Again, I'm doing micro mans. Micro man. I've got to be a micro man. Mucho micro man. I've gotta be a micro. Got our orb set up. Give gold another minute here at the 95. Still down 7 points. I got my mind set on you. Yes is popping up a little bit. We'll watch our orbs. Gold, we're going to say on this pop down, otherwise we'll go lower, maybe down to our 84. Oh, you got a 92 Vish, 92.40? All right, let's be more conservative. I'm down with that. Oh, 92.50. Little breakout in the ESs. We're at 07. I like that. Still up 7 points from here. Good. Top of the orb is 7,000. Boom, boom, boom. 3 minutes to orb setups. Anybody sees anything anywhere else, let me know. Bitcoin, spike up, spike down. Silver, spike up, spike down. Spiders, same as the ESs. Hang a late. If we move up 20 points in ES and we hit a level, absolutely, we should take it. All right, I think 98's a little close, Vish. Let's just chill out, guys. We'll see if we get any orb trades. We got 2 minutes. You know, the bottom of the orb in gold right now is 99. Top of the orb is 06, so we're sitting in the middle. Definitely like the 92.50. We're very quiet. Yeah, 30 EMA and VWAP we added. Minute and a half till the orb. Wah. People could just be exhausted from this week, guys and girls. You know? Been a little wackadoodle. 1 minute to orb setup. MES 80850, okay. Gold looking to break the top of the orb here. We got another 30 seconds. Top of the orb is 07. We definitely like the 16 in the gold if we go in that direction. I don't think we want to buy the top of the orb here in gold. You know, we just went up 15 points to hit it. And the orb just set up at 935. And the high of it was 10. So we did break out a little bit. So it did get a little breakout in gold for a couple of points. Yeah, it was too fast. I didn't do it either. Too quick. And we moved an awful long way to get there, too. ESs, what are we looking at orb-wise? Do we like the bottom of the orb in ES, guys? 92.50, down 5 points. What do you guys think? That kind of fits, down 6 points. I like it. Let's do the bottom of the orb in the ESs. 92.50. Boom. And we like our gold at 16.50, guys. We do it now. This pop-up gold. Now or never, gold. Come on. You can do it. What we get to, guys? We got the 15.40. What do you guys think? Wait now. To the 20. Damn, that would have been a good one. Couple of quick points. All right. I think we got to wait now. Yes, guys, go to the double top. 20. You guys tell me. That would have been nice, you piece of shite. All right. ES is a dead. Well, we buy the bottom of the orb in gold, right? What is that? 46.11. I mean, 4,600. Yes. 4,600. Buy. 4,600. Bottom of the orb. Nice job, Dan. And short side, man, 16 would have been a great fib, guys. 46.20 on the short side. Oh, what did I just do? I just bought it at the market. Nice. Idiot. 46.20. Sell. There we go. All right. 4,600. We like the bottom of the orb in ES if we get there. Want. Take a chill pill. Making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. Man, that would have been a good short. Yowza. Do we like the gold orb bottom? Yeah, we got it out, 4,600. Down 9 points. Yes. All right, we still like the ESs at 92.50, bottom of the orb. I do if we do it on this pop down, guys. Yes, yes, everybody good with that? Friday is my worst trading day. Don't trade on Fridays. You answered your own question. Yep, we are, Dane. We're chilling. Take it slow. Cancel the short and the ESs for now. We're hang-a-lating. David, read me. I want to chat with you. Trip was excellent, guys and girls. Thank you very much. All right, ESs, this pop down, guys. Or MESs, whatever the case may be. This pop down. Still down 3 points. Gold is down 10 points. We're good with that. Now or never ESs. Give ES another minute. Literally. Otherwise, we'll go down. We got a double bottom at 87. Ah, come on, you piece of dog shite. All right. Move to the 15-minute orbation. What time is it? Oh, yeah. All right. Let's go to the 15-minute orbation. All right. Okay. Not making much difference. Do we like the bottom of the orb, guys, or it's too close now? 90? You like 90, Jazz? I like 90. Okay with that. 69.90. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. Again, guys and girls, this could be a really slow, kind of nothing day. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. We just missed 92.50. Got to 93. I like the short on the top of the orb now. All right. Gold is dead. Anyone on YouTube got anything? Dead, man. We'll try 90. I like it. I changed the orb. We're on the 15-minute now, Spence. We're good. Let's see if we get 90 on this Nick Papadopoulos. Again, I'm on the micros. Micro, man. What do we got below 90, guys? Anything? Double bottom is 87.25. 92.50, is it working? Not really. Let's see if we get 90 on this Nick Papadopoulos. Oh, did we just miss 90, you piece of shit? Pardon my language. Come on. 2 points real quick. Gosh darn it. Yep. All right. Relax. What do we got below that, guys? 87? Look at that 90. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, Ratso, man. Well, we got 83.50. Let's certainly have that out, right? Just in case. Oh, you stink. Look at that. All right, top of the orb short, guys. 7004. Yes. Boom. Dang. Both the same thing. It's both the top of the orb and the previous week close. I know we missed it by a tick. Uno Tecado. Kuna Matata. Yeah, it did. Look, guys, we missed it by a tick. We can't complain. It is what it is. Relax. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Bom, bom, bom. Banana, banana. Bom, bom, bom. Banana, banana. I want you tonight. You stink on icy, baby. What's gold doing? Oh, gold gave another false breakout at the top of the orb. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, it's working a little bit now. See if we get gold to 20. You talking to me?
Sort of myself. Are you wearing a belt?
Yes.
Oh, good. You are. Okay.
Making love out of nothing at all. You stink gold, but it gave a couple points on the breakout, guys. 14 and change, right? Do we still like 20? This pop up only 2050. We'll see if we get there fast. Macho, macho man. I gotta be this pop. Do it. Do it. ES is a dead stick, guys. Kind of looking for a nice trend trade in gold now, maybe. You know, middle of the orb. Let's see if we get the 20 on this pop up. Nothing at all. You missed my singing. Yeah. We like a trend trade in gold, guys, like 05, down on a VWAP, bottom of the orb, be down 15 points. I like it. Let's do it. 46.05. We can get a trend trade set up for the rest of the day. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Well, guys, we can't make things happen, unfortunately. So everyone just relax. See if we can get a nice pullback in gold. Yep, ES is just in nowhere's land. Day after day.
What's up there, Junior?
I'll be. What's up, Peter?
Hey, buddy boy. Anything setting up this morning?
Yeah, everyone's just kind of hanging. I think people are exhausted from this week already.
I know it was a crazy week. Yeah, it's just sort of it was not an easy week of trading. So
Oh, it's one of our best weeks ever.
did you had any great week? Oh my God, I love it. Good.
I wasn't here for it, but it was one of our best weeks ever.
Awesome. Good for you.
All right, guys, gold. This pop up. Otherwise, we're going higher.
Right there.
Anyone have anything higher, guys? Not really.
I'm looking. So, Davey, I'm with the guy named Dan Blumenthal who came and visited us back down in Boca when we were there with Boris, and he came to visit me on the floor today. So he's a Wall Street Global student, and he's also an Apex guy, and so he's been trading and learning. Dave says hi.
Beautiful.
How you doing?
Yeah, and so
Guys, you got a fib at 25.10. I love that. All right. I say we wait, guys and girls. Just
there you go.
25.10. We want to get long gold on a pullback, guys. That's about it.
So this is one of the new trades that we're doing. So it's called here.
Call it 25. We want to get long. So what do we want to come up to now? 09. We got 11 and we got 09. We're coming down from 18. So let's go 9. We like that. Down 6 points from here, down 9 points from where we just were. We go 9. Faster the better. If we do it. Boom, chakalaka. All right, let's see what happens. Macho. 09, 08 are good spots if we pull back. Who let the dogs out?
Good vacation.
Who let the? Yeah, it was nice. Very nice. Couldn't wait to get home.
Yeah, I know. Funny thing about vacations.
Right?
You can't wait till you get there, and you can't wait to come home. Anyway, let me give everybody a quickie.
Yeah, go ahead.
Gotcha. Okay, everybody. So look, we're in the middle here. This morning we had it was pretty interesting because a lot of the price action this morning was option expiration, right? And we know that can be. We had at one point $2.7 billion for sale early this morning, and then ended up pairing off and ended up flipping to the buy side. So there is a lot of flow going on. There's a lot of rotation. People are really positioning themselves for
We're
what.
good in ES, guys and girls. Go ahead, Pete.
No problem, buddy.
Just broke the bottom of the orb for like a point, but our orders are good. Cancel the short side. Go ahead, Pete.
Gotcha. Okay, so there's huge flow. There's absolutely exorbitant interest from the retail side, from the institutional side, right? I mean, people are putting money to work, and we're seeing that. We've had big imbalances on the close as well. We're doing over $1 billion. Look, normal volume here on the NYSE is about $1 billion, $1.1 billion. We've been doing $1.3 billion, $1.4 billion on a daily basis. But as I said a little earlier, though, the advances versus declines have been basically 50-50. So that really signifies to me that people are getting out of some other stocks and into others. So you're not seeing anybody. Look, think about it. If people were anxious about what was going on globally in the world, whether we were attacking Iran or what, they'd be selling the market. They're not. They're selling outperformers and they're getting into some mid cap, small cap. So there's still a huge amount of faith in this market. People are looking towards the future. The guidance, even though the bank earnings were disappointing, guidance seems solid, right? So you've got a look, and obviously look at the way that gold and silver are trading, right? The silver trade is also a fascinating one. There's this wild conspiracy theories, that apparently JP Morgan when they took over Silicon Valley Bank, they took on this massive short position in silver, which is against them into the hundreds of billions of dollars. And that one of the reasons we did our little venture into Venezuela was the fact that Venezuela has the largest silver deposits in the world. So anyway, it's wonderful to listen to how people can make stuff up. It's fascinating what things do. But everybody's been curious, like why in God's name did silver come out of the woods and get as high as $91, $92? We talked about it yesterday on the Q&A with Scotty, and a couple of the questions that were asked was why did we think that silver had taken off to that extent? And we talked about copper as well. So I'm sure you guys maybe even trading those names. We know that the data center story with AI is going to be a big story going forward. We know that the sector that's going to be on fire is going to be the energy sector, because in some way or another, these data centers are 2 to 3 to 5 years out. That's what's going to fuel the AI revolution. It's going to be what's going to make GPUs available. But at some point, you're going to have to fuel these data centers in a huge way. And the only way to get that done is either going to be through gas, it's going to be either through nuclear, it's going to be through solar. They have not figured that energy grid out because they know they don't want to impact some of the override some of the energy grids for the rest of the nation. Anyway, you know what? It should be. It'll probably settle down today. I don't think there's going to be a lot that's going on. I think next week we have a 3-day weekend. Everybody take Monday off, and then usually in 3-day weekends there's so much chatter that goes on during the weekend that will probably come in on Monday. Look, it's either going to break out above these levels. Obviously, Dow 50,000, S&P 7 is a big number to try and get through. We're having trouble. They're definitely going to make us work for it, and then we'll see what the next catalyst in the market. Anyway, Davey, I will check out, but please follow Dave's rules. Look, the bottom line is Mondays and Fridays, we are going to be here for you doing Trade the Opening Bell with David, right? It goes on constantly, right? If you guys are members of Wall Street Global Trading Academy, come and join us. It's a really fun family. We've got a new course. We've got a new website, right? We're working with Apex. You should be the accessibility, the funding, and the education. Now you can learn to trade, and get paid to trade. And then you got David holding your hand for the opening bell, which is nothing better than that. Anyway, I'll pass it back to you, kid. Talk to you soon.
Got it. All right, guys, we got a point from 83.50 to 84.50. Just chill out. Let's keep a tight stop on this. We don't want to lose money today, so let's just see what happens. So we'll have an 82 stop. We'll lose $25 on this trade. Just chill out. I think you guys canceled. Most of you guys canceled this anyway, I think. Okay, good. So I'm going to keep it tight. I made a point. I'll lose a point if we spike down from here. Most of you guys got out anyway. Keep it tight. You had 81.50. All right, nice. Anyone get 81.50? All right, good. Take a little point. Gold, guys. Let's take a look at gold. What do we like in gold? Yeah, I don't know. Let's be patient in gold. See what happens. Macho man. I got to be a macho man.
Housing market index number.
Ooh.
And Trump's going to start talking at 10 o'clock.
All right. So, guys, just let's keep it in our pants. Relax. Anyone got anything in it? Let's put out gold at 4,600. I like that. Go down 14 points. Macho man. I gotta be a macho man. Macho man. This is all news, guys, so let's just take it easy. Yes. Maybe we'll get a fall from moving average trade in ESs. I got nothing. So let's just take it slow. We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. Way down in Kokomo. 75.50 is the 1 hour 200. All right. This looks a little newsy to me, so I don't think I'm in a hurry to do anything, guys and girls. Really not. Why? Let's just relax. I don't see any reason to be in anything. Everybody okay with just relaxing? Because I am. I don't know what this is. Yeah. Don't see any reason to run into anything, like I said. Yep. I'm not putting any orders out anywhere. I like gold if we get down there. That's it. Maybe we'll get a fall from moving average trade. Otherwise, just go slow. No reason to run into anything right here. In the groove. We're not stretched. So we're not running into anything. We don't have the RSI yet. Macho man. I gotta be a mucho macho man. Gold is doing nothing. In the city, ooh. In the city, ooh. Ah, that's funny, Kelly. Gold. We like gold on the short side here, guys. Gold is coming up from 11. I would have liked 2050 if we got right there. We didn't because it was news. But it was a great spot, Jazz. We were kind of just hanging out. That was a great spot.
Okay, Dave. So Monday is Martin Luther King Day.
Yes, we are off.
Oh, okay. So it's your market's closed. Okay.
Market closed. Great spot, Jazz. And it's just hard to do it with the news out. But cool. Yeah, that's a good short. What is it, 90? 69, 90, 50? Yes, let's do it. Again, guys, I just tried to keep us safe, but we did have a Fibonacci at 75.50 that worked absolutely perfectly. And it was a 2 hour 100. Wow. Oh, 2 hour. I don't even have that. Oh, 1 hour, 200 EMA. Oh my God. Why didn't anyone point that out first? Look at that, guys and girls. Look at that technical analysis. The 1 hour, 200 EMA was 75.50. The low was 75.25. Oh my God. Insane. Insane. Yeah, nice job, guys. That was perfect. All right. Again, tried to keep us safe. What are we going to do? Here's what it is. Gold just exploded. Yowza, look at that gold break out of the orb, guys. Insane. That was the spot. Yeah, if we go all the way up to the previous week high, I like it. I like the top of the orb in gold now. We get it. All right, what do we like here, guys and girls? ES. What do we got in ES, guys? Oh, we got the top of the orb. I thought we had the top of the orb. What was it, 90? Gold top of the orb. 1450, guys, gold. We like that, guys and girls? Talk to me, goosies. All right, let's put it out. 1450. 46, 1450. Yep.
Hey, have a nice weekend, Dave.
You too, Bubby.
See you on Tuesday.
I'm not going to say it. All right, gold, top of the orb is good. ES is, nah. Let's do the 30 EMA and ES is 91, guys. You guys good with that? Yes, thank you. We're on top of it. Love it. I can't believe we missed that 200 EMA on the 1 hour in ES. That's my fault. I'm a little rusty today, guys and girls. All right, we got 1450 in gold. And ES, we want to put out 91, we said, guys? Yeah, 91. Spike up 4 points. Top of the orb is 1540. All right, let's do it. 1540. Okay, thank you. Boom. And the ES, what we say we like, 91? Yeah, let's call it 92. Up 5 points from here and up 7 points. I like it. 92. Boom. Oops, I just shorted it at the market because I'm an idiot. Uh, 69.92. Go. You have a fib at 93. Okay, good. We're good. Gold, we're good at 1540. We still like gold there, guys? It's now 5 points. What do you think? I say we like it if it goes fast. Yeah, it's fine. $15.40. That's cool. Okay. Oh, how's everyone doing today? Give me some ones. I don't know if we're making money. We're not losing money. That's for sure. Yeah, we should be green, right? Yeah, that should be green. Good, Scroogey. Better than yesterday. All right, Kelly, good. Excellent. ES is maybe a double bottom. A nice trend trade in ES off the 15 EMA. Scroogey's up $1,000 for the day. Very nice. Macho man. I gotta be a macho man. Macho man. Well, then we certainly did our jobs for today. Relax. On a nice quiet Friday. Little red mat. All right. But had a great week. Good. Keep it small. You stink heavy ESs. That was a perfect trend trade. 9 EMA was 86. All right, what do we got on the buy side, guys? ESs. Double top in gold is 46.30. All right, let's check that out. From yesterday. All right, I like it. It's up 10 points. I'm down with it. 46.30. Still like the buy side if we get there in short order. Let's keep our eyes on it. Good short side. Curious how you did land on ES 92. I see the 30 EMA at 91. Yeah, we could have lowered it a little bit. It changed. That's why. ES 65 EMA on the 4-hour. Let's go. That is 71. Love it. Love it. Let's put it out. Good eyes, baby. 69.71. Chaka-laka-laka. Down with that. Get down with that. Do we still like 90 short now, guys? Top of the orb. Let's lower it to 90. We go fast. I like it. It's up 7 points from here. Boom. Gold. Do we still like the top of the orb in gold, guys? Which is 1540. Let's say this popped down. Otherwise, we'll go down to, I mean, the trend is 14. What do you guys like better, 1540 or 14? You guys tell me. Where do we want to be? Where do we want to be now that all of the children are growing old? 14, a little safer. I'm down with it. Get down with that. Woo, get down with that. So anyone just joining us on YouTube or just visiting or whatever, what we do is not very complicated. Does it take time to learn? 100%. But it's all just based on our technical analysis, and we put our orders out where our charts tell us to put our orders out. That's it. And then you got to follow the trade management rules and be patient and disciplined and don't be in a hurry. And that's it. That's what it's all about. We've been on an unbelievably good streak for quite a while now. Not good. No, we're not talking about ever. What time is that? It's only 10:17. I'll hang out for. We're definitely getting out of here early today, guys and girls. So we'll be out of here a little after 12 o'clock, something like that. Again, for my YouTubers, send me an email. We'll get you into the trading room next week. Okay. 109 of you here, at least. I'd like to see you all in the trading room next week. You're silly if you don't take advantage of that. And then a week after that is boot camp. We have no visitors that week. That is intensive live training every single day. We do about 80 hours of training that week in the boot camp. Macho man. All right, what else we got going on? Silver had a nice little recovery. Bitcoin, spike up, spike down. Bitcoin, if you like it, you're on the bottom of the orb. No idea how that trades. Well, gold's coming in pretty good here. Come on. Speak now or forever hold your peace at 14. Below 14, guys, we got 10. We got our 200 EMA. Down at 10, 10, 10. There's a bunch of stuff at 10. How low did we get? We hit the trend. Are you kidding me? We hit 14. Did anyone get that? It says the low was 14. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Did anyone get that? I didn't get it anywhere. I had it out in multiple places. So yeah. Did not get it. Oh, look at this, guys. I got it on wealth charts. Boom. $628. 6 points. Yes. Boom chakalaka. So we got it on some, we didn't get it on others. Whoa, something just came out in gold. Big news, guys. I don't know what it is, but we just got smacked. Holy mackerel. I don't know what the hell this is. All right. Don't panic. Relax. That sucked. Well, if we get back near 13 or 14, just get out. I don't know what the hell this is. Where is this? Putting it out at 13.30, trying to get out for a tiny, tiny loss. Boom. All right, break even. Why didn't it take me out? Nah, we lost nothing. And because we were on the micros, we certainly didn't get stopped out. All right, whatever. We were on the little ones anyway. All good. Yeah, maybe Trump. I don't know what the hell it was. I don't know what it was, but we were only on the micros, so all good. Take a chill pill now. We cannot. Nobody should have got wrecked. We're on the micros. How do you get wrecked? Relax. There you go, Billy. Guys, again, do not trade this right now. I don't know what this is. Yes, the trade room is separate from the course. Relax. I have no clue. But our technicals don't mean anything when things like this are happening. So just relax. Making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. I don't know what this is. Everybody in the room is on the micros, right? And we wiggled out of that one. So the only thing I'm going to be looking for now is shorts if we rally up from here. It's hard to put any orders out now, guys and girls, because let's just let this, whatever this is, settle in. Okay? Give me some ones. Don't do anything. I don't know what the hell this is. So relax. Let everything settle in. As a matter of fact, what time is it? 10:23. Everybody get up and walk away for 5 minutes. I'm making a coffee. Canceling everything. Everyone take a little break. Trump is speaking. There you go. Yeah, kill everything for now. I don't trust anything. Okay. We had a bunch of good trades earlier. We got stopped out on one trade. Just walk away for now, guys and girls. Okay. Yep. Taking 5 money. Taking 5 minutes. If we get some far from moving average trades set up, we'll look to do something. Otherwise, just walk away for 5 minutes. Yep. BRB. Chill out. Gold just broke the bottom of the orb and getting smacked. Yeah, I can't stay away. Let's short the top of the bottom of the orb in ESs. I don't care what's going on. 69.90. That'll be up 14 points. Do it small. ESs. No break. Chill for a couple minutes. Making love out of nothing at all. Gold. Yeah, maybe we'll get a fall from moving average trade in gold. This is Trump, guys. So again, take it easy. This is our illustrious president talking about something. Not be running into anything. Macho, macho man. I gotta be a macho man. Look at the pivot point. Pivot point was 91. Again, none of this is going to mean anything. All right, take a break. I'll be right back. I'm leaving the 90 out in the NYSE. When was the last green day? Today's been a green day. Noob. Been a nice green day today. Oh, good. We had one losing trade. All right, I'm just filling up my coffee. I'll be right back. Yeah, you definitely could have got stopped out in the MGCs. I think it went 8 points below. But look at that break of the orb, too, that we didn't pay off of. Yeah, guys, we had a losing trade today. It happens. All right. I'm going to the bathroom. I'll be right back. I'm doing nothing unless we get below 20 RSIs in gold. All right. So I'll be back in a minute. Holy crap, guys and girls. Look at freaking gold. This is why we don't leave orders out. Unbelievable. Yowza. Are we getting now? We're almost far from moving average, guys. Bump, 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 bump. Not quite yet. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. Not yet. Does anyone have any levels? This is insane. 45.27. I like that. Yes, Apex extended their sale, guys and girls. Let's jump on it. Yeah, all right. We're getting there, guys. We're getting the far from moving average. Bump, bump, bump. Almost there now. I think we can start going to 1 minute. What do you guys think? Start looking. The 1 minute. Bump, 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 bump. Let's see. Well, let's put out. I think we just got it. Yeah, there it was, guys. There it was. So here is your far from moving average trade, guys and girls. It got to a low of 39. Probably could have grabbed 40, 41, and it just paid 8 points. Womp, womp, womp. All right. I'm going to put a little order out, guys, at that 45.28. Jazz got a fib at 32. If we get to 28, that's our well, 32, we can probably start a far from moving average trade. Guys, this is going to be extreme risk on. I am trying Jazz's fib at 33. Okay. But do it in the absolute, tiny, tiny, tiny. Putting one out at 32, and then I'm going to look far from moving average if we get down there, which means I'll add to it. So if we go down 16 points, we'll take a look. MGC 45.32. Anyone know what this is about? Not that it makes any difference. Because it doesn't make any difference whatsoever. Bouncy bounce. We got to look for shorts if we get significant rallies from here, but not anywhere near here. All right, guys and girls, do you know how many accounts got blown up in this move down here? Anyone want to take a guess? And how smart were we just not to do anything? Give me some ones. Stay away. Recognize when this is going on. And take an effing chill pill. Right? Because I guarantee you. That's probably why Apex put their sale back out. Because everyone just blew up all their accounts. You can bet on it. But there was your far from moving average trade. 1 minute chart. There it was. We made a low of 39. Could have grabbed it anywhere, 40, 41, 42. And boom, gave you 10 to 15 points. Boom. Yeah, I like the 32 to start looking for moving average. That's the 4 hour 65 at 45.41. Was there? Are you kidding me? Holy 45, 39, 30 was the level. 45, 39, 30. We got the 39, 10. So check this out, guys and girls. Oh my God. That was spectacular. I mean, nobody thought to go that far out. Alexandra, did you post that earlier than this? But I mean, is that unbelievable, guys and girls? Tell me that technical analysis don't work. It went 20 cents below that level. 20 cents. That is insane. Yeah, we weren't looking, obviously. But that's insane. No, I didn't even think to look that far down. Well, it just shows we have to be looking really far down. But okay. I was a bit panicked. We will short trends, guys, if we get anywhere near trends. Now, what did we say in ES? You have something at 59? Is that what we said? I like that. That's going to be a far from moving average trade. 49 is our previous day low, but someone said something about 59. Let's do it. I like that. MESs. 69, 59, 50. We'll cheat a little bit. 69, 59, 50. It's got 7 points. MESs. Boom. That is a Fibonacci, guys and girls. Macho man. And net, the market's doing nothing. This is just volatility coming out of the yin yang. All right, gold look good at 32. Yeah. I want to be a macho man. Macho man. I say we should go to sleep. Not the worst idea in the world. I know. Well, look at the break of the orbs in the ES and look at the break of the orb in gold on the downside. Anyone even consider that? Look at that. That's insane. Insane. All right, ESs are coming our way. Again, guys, we are tiny now. Yes, good day for trend trades in gold. No question about that. All right. ES. Ah, we bounced in ESs. Give it a couple minutes. Trumsky happened. G Officer Trumsky. This popped down. It was a great week. I got my gold today. Beautiful. Get out of here. All right, this popped down in the ESs, guys. We're not even that stretched yet. I could see us hitting 49, right? So if we don't get this fib in the next couple of minutes, we'll go down. And this is for a quick trade if we get it. Again, micro man. Don't even consider anything else. What just happened? Wackadoodleness. All right, we got our gold at 32. It's only down 17 points from here. Give this 59.50 another minute. And then our next big one is that 49, which is really only yesterday's low. Groove on. Can you groove on? Can you groove on? Now or never, ESs. Now or never. MESs, I'm sorry. Boom, boom. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You will, Elijah. Relax. Ah, come on. You suck. Stink. Missed it by a point, guys. Want. Chill out. Yeah, for now, Jazz. Obviously, we're going to be at 69.50. 69.50. Let's leave that out just in case. 69.50. Wow, it's almost 11 o'clock already. Holy crap. Yowza. I'll tell you what we'll do, everybody. We'll take our break at 11 for a quick 15 minutes. Come back. We'll give away some accounts. How'd you get 3 points, Edoc? It never hit our level 59.50, if that's what you were waiting for. Gold's bouncing nicely. Gold, I like the trend, guys, at 77. If we spike up 20 points. Put that out. You can probably fib gold and get some shorts closer. I guarantee you can. We like the trend. All right, Alexandra. See you next Tuesday. Yeah, that was certainly the bottom of gold, huh? Yowza. Wow. All right, I like the short. Going that direction. Mucho macho man. I gotta be a macho. Bandstand. This has nothing to do with the sell-off, but when you're doing regular moving average or trend change, are you looking at higher? No. If we have something that fits on a 5-minute chart, Alex, regular moving average or trend, we do not have to look any further. But when we don't have anything on a 5-minute chart, that's when we have to start expanding our time frames. Like if we go to gold, okay, and none of us did this quick enough, but we hit the 4-hour 65 EMA. Okay, that was at 39. We're up 30 points from there. That insane? So when we don't have anything on a 5-minute chart, that's when we have to start looking at higher time frames. And then we have to look to see if it fits our trading criteria. Boom, chakalaka. Nope, don't care what the general trend is. We're just looking for support and resistance levels on multiple time frames. That is correct. Just whatever the charts tell us. 100% correct. Boom, chakalaka. That's all we care about. Would we look to short 69.75 on a 9 EMA for a trend trade? I'm assuming we're talking ESs. 73.50. Yeah, we certainly will do the 15 EMA, but yeah, probably small on the 9. Yes. And gold, we like at 77 if we get up there. On this pop up. Big spike in gold. All right, let's see if we get gold on this pop right now, guys. I know. That's why I want it on this. Well, how high do we get? We got the 75.40. We just missed it. Let's wait. I'm not in a hurry. 85 is the next spot. Chill out. Got a fib at 84. I like it. $77 would have been great, guys. All right, let's definitely put out 84. Ah, you stink gold. Ba-da-da-da. 84, right, guys? We'll cheat 83.50. My adrenaline is through the roof today. It's been a wackadoodle day, man. 45.84. Boom. Yeah, it's been no slowdown, that's for sure. Yes, let's take a look. ES is dead. All the action's in gold right now. Boop, boop, boop. I know. I would only be doing, even in the micro, Scotty, I'd be doing like 2 of them. I'm just relaxing. All right, Chris. 77 would have been gorgeous, huh? We got to 75.50, went down 10 freaking points. Wah, wah, wah. Kind of like a double bottom now, right? If we go in that direction. You know what? What time is it? It's 10:53. All right, let's wait a few more minutes. We'll take our break. Make sure I don't have any orders out anywhere. Yep. I think it might have just missed the 9 ESs. Definitely rejected off there. Excellent night. Okay. Yeah, it's all right. Hard not to be conservative right now. All right. I think we can cancel the buying gold. Like the short at 84, that's up 12 points. That's exactly the ATR. So we'll give that a couple minutes. I'll tell you what, let's take our break. All right. Let's take a quick break, 15 minutes. And then we'll give away some accounts. And we'll get everybody into the trading room next week. All right, YouTube, 15-minute break. What a move down and what a move up. Crazy. Let's cancel our orders for now. Everybody come back at 11:15. We'll give away some accounts. We'll get everybody in the trading room for next week. All right, no orders. Back at 11:15. All right, ladies and gents. Look at this rally. Where do we like the gold, guys? $200 EMA, 46.05. I like that. Let's do it. 46.05. Up 10 points from here. Boom. Out of nothing at all. Anything else going on, guys and girls? We got a fib and ES. What do we like? 69.89. 65 EMA. All right, let's do that. Let's give away some accounts. Okay, good and good. Good and good. Not a 10-point move. Oh, you mean in ES? All right. Well, we'll do 90-50. That is the low of the orb. Down with that. Down with that. All right, YouTuber. Gold was good today. Yes, hopefully I can win today. Thin Lizzie. ES is blowing through everything. Yeah, we're just chilling. All right. So a couple of things, guys and girls. Okay. Number one, about 8 of you are coming into the trading room next week. You guys are silly if you don't take advantage of this. That's number one. Send me an email. We'll get you into the trading room. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's give away 5 accounts. Say goodbye to YouTube until Tuesday. Guys, we're going to do YouTube on Tuesday, all right? Next Tuesday, next Friday, and then we got our boot camp after that. Will Roman send out an email to all course members on joining the trading room? Yes, he's going to. Yes, yes, yes. Yep. That's the course members. But if you just want to get into next week's trading, just send me an email. All right. First account is going to go to the person who is here the longest with us. Why is there a commercial on YouTube? That's crazy. Okay, number one, Good Living 5492. Are you here? 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 Good Living 5492. Are you here going once? Are you here going twice? Good Living. Send an email at WSGTA.com @gmail.com. Roman will send you a free account. Don't send it to me. Send it here. Write this down, everybody, for the next winners. Okay. Boom. Our next winner is going to be Elizabeth Cruz, Y1. Elizabeth Cruz, Y1. Are you here? Yes, Elizabeth Cruz is here. Boom. Send an email. WSGTA.com at gmail.com. Boom, chakalaka laka. Lizzie Boom. Our next winner is going to be winner number 3. Larry Cha-Ching. Larry Cha-Ching, are you here, Larry Cha-Ching? Larry Cha-Ching, Larry Cha-Ching, Larry Cha-Ching, Larry Cha-Ching is here. Send an email. WSGTA.com at gmail.com. Boom. Our next winner is going to be winner number 4. Is going to be Robert Lorenzo. Robert Lorenzo, are you here, Robert Lorenzo? Robert Lorenzo going once. Robert is here. Finally, he says, WSGTA.com at gmail.com. Boom, chakalaka laka. Number 4. I think it's 4. I don't know if it's 4 or 5. We'll do 2 more. Winner number 4 is going to be. I seen it all around me. Durf Badurf. Durf Badurf. Are you here, Durf Badurf? Durf Badurf Badurf Badurf. The Durf Badurf Badurf Badurf. The Durf 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 Durf. The Durf the Durf the Durf. Durf the Durf is here. There you go. WSGTA. I don't know if I did 5 yet, but we'll do 1 more. WSGTA.com and gmail.com. And our last winner is going to be Purple Ninja 909. Purple Ninja 909. Purple Ninja 919. Are you here? You are here. WSGTA.com at gmail.com. All right, I'm going to do 1 more. The last one is going to be Coach MCK for being the second one in the room and the first comment at 7:15. Yep, Coach got it. Coach, are you here? WSGTA. There you go. Yeah, you said you were the first one here this morning. You're getting it. Making a comment at 7:15. Boom. WSGTA.com, gmail.com. All right, guys and girls. Great job this morning by everybody. It's been a hell of a week. Everybody come in to the trading room next week. I'll post that 1 more time. Trust me, that's worth 50 times more than any account we're giving away here. You're silly if you don't take advantage of this. I'm begging people to come into the trading room. You'll be with us for the whole week. Trust me, it's worth more than that $35 account. Excellent, Danny. What did I want to say? Oh, Apex has a sale again, guys and girls. Just use code WSGTA. I would stock up on a couple of accounts while they're only $35. Use that. You'll always get the best sale. Dave, I just passed my trading account. Can you add me to the 20th person? 20, what do you mean, Bill? First time here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Market's slowing down to a dull roar. Excellent. We don't get anything for that, guys and girls. We're not affiliates of Apex. So it just, I passed my eval. Way to go, baby. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Everybody who sent me a request, guys, I will get to you over the weekend and give you the link to sign up to the trading room next week. Okay, so give me Saturday or Sunday. I'll send out all those links. And on Tuesday, we start. I'll have the room open by 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll start with our morning meeting at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All righty. So YouTubes, we'll see everybody on Tuesday. Okay. Everybody have a great weekend. Healthy and Wealthy is starting to get this. Good. I'm glad these sessions are helping everybody. That's what we're here for. Keep asking questions every time you are here. And we will see everybody. It's going to be open for a couple more minutes because I don't know how to close it. So you'll hang out with us for a few more minutes until I get to Roman. Can you shut YouTube live? Yes, come hang out next week, guys. You'll learn a crap load in the week that you would. I had over 17 or 18 people that passed their account this week. Only 19. Oh, beautiful. Excellent. Yeah, we had almost 20 people pass their accounts this week. We had a just an unbelievable trading week, live trading in the trading room all week. We are not going to be here for another half hour or 45 minutes in the trading room, guys. Good, Dan. All right, just take your time. You got 30 days to pass these accounts, so it's not like you have to run and do anything. Wait for good setups. Yeah, Scotty, please go. Go, 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 go. Get out of here. You did an unbelievable job this week. Could not do this without you. You are the man. All right, guys and girls. Let's hope today's the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's a better day. Let's hope this is the worst week we ever have and next week is a better trading week. Green Jeans says, peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. We are out of here like Vladimir, over skiing out ski. See everybody on Tuesday. See you next Tuesday. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. All right, I'm sure that's still going to be going until Roman closes it. So it's all good, guys and girls. Do we have any orders out that we like? I don't know. I'm going to wrap it up in a few minutes, guys and girls. No? Love you too, Billy. Been a great week. Everyone's tired. I'm tired. I'm going to go take a nice 3-hour nap. Got to get on a scale and see how bad it was this week. By the way, guys and girls, for those of you who don't know, I lost 50 pounds in the last, I don't know, 6 months. We've been, me and Judy have been on strict, no carb diets. Yeah. Judy lost a bunch. I lost a little more than 50 pounds. Feeling much, much better. It was well overdue. So now I got to get on a scale and see how bad it was. All right. No question. Let's go over our gold and ESs and see if we want to have anything out now. ESs, I don't know. I don't think we're getting much more today, guys and girls, but let's put out the ESs on our 200 EMA at 69.93, up 8 points. Let's look at gold. We're bouncing here. Good. Gold, what do we like? What do you say? What do you see? What do you see? Top of the orb gold, guys.
Yes.
Nice and conservative. 46.15. Is that the top of the orb? Yeah, 46.15. Put that out for a few minutes. Any reason to get involved in anything else today? We had that one bad trade. But I can tell you that we avoided a lot of trouble today. So it's all good. And it's been a great week. I think we're kind of just going to futz around here for the rest of the day. Excellent, JR. It was really, really nice. We were on a ship that we were never on before, and it was really beautiful. The wonder of the seas.